boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar, Martin Garrix U2. Can that possibly even flop? No, I don't think so. Great collab there. Fireflies is what we're gonna learn for this tutorial, so let's move right into it. And I just want to quickly mention my new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 years ago. I need your help, guys, to grow that channel. Show me some appreciation for the work I'm doing right here. Go and subscribe to that channel, and that helps me a lot. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you. Now let's move on with this tutorial here. Fireflies goes in the same with our entire song. We have no need for any capo, not your typical guitar song, but still I'm gonna give you one string pattern that really works for this song and lifts everything with a guitar only. So let's go into the chords first. 5 of them. Let's start with E minor. Sounds like that. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The G chord next. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. B minor, which is the bar chord. So you place the index finger as a bar on the second fret, hence that name, and you don't have to bar the last E string in the bass, just the 5 strings below. Then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. We have D next. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally we have the A. And that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Okay, so I promise a great strumming pattern for this one. So if you grab the first chord, E minor, you're gonna play like this. Okay, so you're gonna play down, up, a short pause, and then up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so you're gonna play one of these strumming patterns per chord, pretty much all the way to the last chord. And the chord progression goes E minor, G, B minor, D, then E minor, G, and then the final chord A, you're gonna play twice on that strumming pattern. So E minor, G, B minor, D, E minor, G, and A. Goes like this. E, G, B, D, E minor, G, and A. 2 again. So could play this forever, guys. A great uplifting song. Fireflies, give it a shot. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.